Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2013 Nissan Navara. So from any screen, you've got map there. If you just want to look where you're going or get an idea where you're going, there you go. And you can turn the map up like so, zoom in just using that wheel. But if you want to plan a route, if you click on destination, you've got new address. Click new address, and there you've got country, postcode, city. We want postcode, that's quicker. Postcode. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, P R. And then to move quickly between rows, you can use the direction arrows 5. Now, because we've only got two numbers in our postcode, we'll go down to space, click space, and then up to 4, PR5 4, J, S for sugar. We've got list down here. Click on list, and that's giving it you Chorley Road, Wantleydale, and we click OK. New menus come up now. Now it's worked out the route, and we click start. That's it.